is what it is. Mindset. This help you get through stuff. You are not your best self. They are meant to you. Your life is bad. Tell yourself it is what it is. And focus on what to do in the present instead of putting guilt in your past thinking it's gonna change. Forgive yourself. Yes, you have a bad past. Your environment, yourself, your bad habits, everything, remember it is what it is. Forgive yourself. You made mistakes. It's time to move on. Forgive yourself because you must trust that you will be guiding yourself to a better life. A good way to start is to change your phone. Delete the junk out your phone, useless contacts, photos, unfollow people that make you insecure, everything. Download apps that will help you and put widgets that the apps have. Application recommendation, take an app to set habits, forest for focus, mind shift. You can also make your phones more aesthetically pleasing. Discipline. Discipline yourself to doing good habits. Drink a glass of water, wash your face today, journal, meditate, take a break from social media, clean your room, listen to videos from your mental health, set the goals. A good way to care yourself is to do a self-care. Give yourself daily affirmations. You don't even have to believe them, just read them, write them, say them out loud in the mirror and listen to them. Every affirmation you say, don't doubt it, just set your mind to be listened if you refuse to believe it. This is harsh, but you need a wake-up call. You sat around this whole year watching everyone else's dreams happen right in front of your face. You kept saying people make it look so easy. You say around beating yourself instead of putting in action. The fact is that there is 24 hours in a day and you are in control with how you choose to use those hours. Your life can change completely if you focus now. No more blaming your issues on outside factors. You are in control on it and make the change. The good thing about life tough is as long as you are breathing, you have the chance to make your life better. Stop sitting around every day. Stop letting minor setbacks keep you grounded. You know that you are fully capable. Why are you allowing yourself to suffer? But this is the actual reality and you must face it and it is good for you. Thank you.